Hello everyone, it's Angie. I'm coming today to do a quick little flip through of a flip journal that I had recently just completed. I apologize for being away for a little while. I have a lot of things going on right now. We just got back from a couple of vacations, which were a lot of fun and much needed. Down to hot weather in Vegas, back to cold weather up here. Unfortunately, we do not have much snow left. So hopefully more snow will come before the summer. But with that said, I have a exciting news coming soon. I'm not going to quite explain what's going on until we get a little bit closer, which will be in the next few weeks. So I'm super excited. So please stay tuned for that. But in that, I've been working hard on jewelry and junk journals and all kinds of stuff. But I did complete this, and this was inspired by Robin Marie. I belong to her group, and her it's a membership, paid membership, the Robin's Nest. If you're not in there, it's a lot of fun, and she just keeps me on my toes and inspires me as well as Tracy. But with that said, this is something I got finished this last week. It is called a flip book, and hers is a little bit different. She made hers out of cardboard. I decided to do something different. I went with vinyl because I like using vinyl or whatever I have on hand, and this is kind of how mine came to be. Up here is a little bulldog clip, or actually a big one, and then all I do is I have everything in my playlist that I mentioned, like how to antique these, are in my playlist. So if you just go to my playlist, everything is down below. I will try to maybe tag that playlist if I can in the comments. But with that said, what I did is I just take a sanding paper and then I oxidize it with an oxidation chemical. That's the back of it. So it looks really cool. I just like things rusty and rustic or oxidized. And this is the closure. This is an old vintage hook closure from an old corset, like a really old vintage corset, just a piece of it. So I thought that was a lot of fun. This is just some rusty bottle cap, and then just lots of tattered pieces for the closure. So we open it like this, and then we just take the hooks off. So it just opens the hooks. Then I did attach it on the back here and sewed it here as well. And then this is the vinyl. What I did is I painted the vinyl. I did layers of the vinyl. And then we'll see the inside. Okay, we are going to get on the inside of this journal. So this has a little flap that comes down, so it's built like this. And then there's a couple pockets on the side, and I just sewed around it. And you know me, I love my layers. So this is all full of layers. Wire, rusty bits, all kinds of stuff. And then I do have a playlist. It's been fun to see a lot of people being making these. These are a little bit different. These are my hidden paper clip with the tattered pieces of fabric and whatnot, but I do have a tutorial on that, and I decided not to put the paper clip on it today and just use it like this. And you can put words in there or something else if you want to. I think I'm finished, but other than that. And then, as I always, I do different kinds of toppers. And so this is a flip book, so it's many layers. And this is a UV resin, or a resin, like a deer bust. And then everything will flip open. So this is a couple layers here. This comes out. Little tag, vintage tag. And then it opens this way. And then I just have fabric. Some I taped all the ways down, some I just kind of left loose. And then this is the next layer. And I just have little pieces of fabric on it. I like using different kinds of material as well. And then this has a piece of wire. And I just did a circle so it'll stick down at the bottom. And I use a piece of cellophane, a button. And then I also have a tutorial on this in my playlist. It's called Frame It. It's been fun seeing a lot of people circulating with this idea. It's a lot of fun. If you're interested in knowing how I created these, go ahead and go to my playlist. I've been doing these for several years now, and I will always keep doing these. So yeah, those are fun. And then here's this next page. And then it has some tulle in it, safety pin, and some fabric. And this is a little tab up here. And then another piece of cellophane with some paper clip and some fabric. A piece of fabric that says courage. Okay, and here is the back. The last page. And I just have a cluster of stuff. And then there's a little pocket here as well, another pocket. And then it has my signature. And then you can see that back here. See, it moves. So I didn't paint that part. And you can see a little bit of that layer through the clear vinyl. Anyways, this is my little flip book. It's a lot of fun. It has lots of layers and pockets and grunginess. Totally up my alley, my style. And just bring this over, close it up, clip it back on the little clip there. And there you go. Pretty fun. I enjoyed this a lot, and I hope you did too. I hope everybody's doing well, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.